Hello everyone! In this video we will talk about pressing and how the olive oil extra virgin is extracted. Once the olives have been poured into the load hopper, a conveyor belt passes through a defoliator which, thanks to a strong fan, separates the branches and leaves from the olive, and finally the olives are washed with a machine called washing machine. Before explaining the next producer, I want to mention the mills. There are two types of mills. One, traditional oil mill, their characteristic is that of using the ancient stone wells called malaxing. The second one, continuous cycle crusher, also known as a modern oil mill, arises from the need to produce high quality oils and is the result of numerous technological research activities. And we will go right to see the extraction process with this last type of oil mill. Once this preliminary operation of defoliator and washing have been made, the mechanical transformation process begins thanks to these steps. Milling, where the oils are transformed through an oil paste process consisting of oil, water and solids part. Kneading, a continuous storing of the oil paste takes place inside a steel tank through the helical blades. Extraction, it takes place inside the decanter, where inside the oil paste is subjected to a centrifuge that allows to separate the solid part, called sansa, composed of kernels and peels, from the liquid part, the vegetarian water and the mass of oil with a small residue of water. A very important thing to know is that the oil is extracted cold, with a temperature no higher than 27 degrees. This allows not to alter the minerals, vitamins and substances, rich in antioxidants useful for our body. The last producer is when the oil is placed in a separator, a machine that cleans the oil from any residues, and so we obtain our extra virgin olive oil. The sansa residual solid part of the oil is not thrown away, but is used and transformed into a sansa oil, a less valuable oil. It is used for animal feeds and is also used in cosmetics. Thanks to everyone. If you like the video, put a like, and hope to have you here in Le Torri for your next holiday in Tuscany. Ciao!